Today I'm bringing you some of the Scotchman's latest innovation to helping you be the best fabricator on a Scotchman Ironworker. What we have today is a Scotchman LG Measuring System made for our 50-ton ironworkers. The measuring system is an encoder-driven measuring device that we can set in inches, fractions, millimeters, any measurement you want. Here we're showing the changes of the measurement we can give you. We're starting out in inches. We can go to fractions of an inch, which is actually in 16ths. We can go into 30 seconds. Next step is into feet and inches in decimal. We can go to feet and inches with fraction. We can go into centimeters, millimeters, meters, and finally back to inches. Very easy to use. Scotchman does supply a mounting bracket for the bar shear and for the angle shear. We're going to go ahead and put it on the bar shear. It has an encoder wheel that you can see as I put it in. Very easy to calibrate. Here we'll go ahead and fire it up and show you making a cut. To set it up, I got to bring the bar shear down, put your material underneath, bring the blade down until I hit it. Now I can zero it. Now if I want to make a 2-inch cut, simply slide in until I get to my 2 inches. If I'm doing multiple cuts, I would zero out while I'm underneath. Go to a 1-inch cut. That's simple for measuring and cutting a piece of material. I will show you switching it over. It's also available on the angle shear. We'll switch over to the angle shear. Just unlock it, lock it in place. We're set. Once you have it set in place, just drop the roller wheel down. Again, I'm set for 2-inch. We are adjustable, so on this 4-inch angle shear, I can adjust this up from 1.5 inches up to 4-inch angle that I can run through the machine. I'm going to go back to set one other setting. I can change the offset. Scotchman angle shear does take a slug out, giving you a perfect shear, but by doing so, you have the dilemma of how do I measure past the blade. So we can go in here, reset the scale. So now I'm zeroed in, so I've added a 3/8 offset. So I bring the blade down, hit 0, and you can see I'm calibrated now to 0.36. That's 3/8 of an inch. You can go through, measure your 2-inch part. Once I did that, it bounced back a little bit, but I will zero it. We're good again to go to my next cut. Here you have the Scotchman LG Measuring System, a versatile tool that can be used on the flat bar shear as well as the angle shear.